2025, a year of firsts, a year of milestones, a year where so much happened here at Amanah College.
2025 has been a historic year for our school community. We are back where we started, here at the Bankstown campus. But this time, 2025 marked a new chapter in the history of Amanah College, the first year of Bankstown High School.
From the excitement of our opening day to the countless moments of learning, growth, and achievements, our students and staff embraced this journey with passion, resilience, and dedication.
But of course, we continue to grow as a school.
For now, let's take a moment together to revisit the highlights of 2025.
As always, it was an eventful year here at Amanah College, a year filled with learning, growth, and countless memories. Bankstown Primary continued its strong functioning this year, nurturing young learners and building the foundations for success. But now, alongside it, the new high school came to life, conducting classes for our very first Year 7 cohort. They studied a wide range of Year 7 subjects, engaged in new learning experiences, and took part in sporting carnivals in collaboration with the Liverpool campus. This connection created opportunities for friendship, teamwork, and healthy competition, showing students that no matter which campus they belong to, they are part of one united Amanah family. The students of Bankstown discovered what it meant to learn and grow in a space designed especially for them. And in years to come, when new cohorts walk through the gates of Bankstown High School, they will always remember that it began here in 2025 with the very first group of pioneers. Across both campuses, teaching and learning remained at the heart of everything we do. This year, we strengthened our practices with a focus on explicit teaching, ensuring every student has the clarity, structure, and support they need to thrive. Programs such as Got Games brought energy and excitement into learning, while the introduction of stronger reading and comprehension strategies gave students the tools to build confidence across every subject. Teachers worked side by side across campuses, unifying resources and aligning curriculum. Meetings across campuses brought teachers together to collaborate, exchange ideas, and build consistency. This unity developed a culture where every student, whether at Bankstown or Liverpool, was given the best chance to succeed. 2025 was the year we laid the foundation for long-term excellence, a commitment to quality teaching and inspired learning that will continue to grow in the years ahead.
جاء المرسلون لهدي الأمم جاء المرسلون.
At Amanah College, faith remains our compass. In 2025, our Islamic identity guided every program, every event, and every achievement. Religion seminars for parents were held throughout the year, offering them an opportunity to connect with the school through Islamic knowledge. Of course, our well-known Ramadan celebrations started our year with joy as decorations, competitions, and iftar dinners brought us together. Our Mawlid celebrations were filled with love, reflection, and gratitude, bringing the community together to honor the life of Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. One of the highlights of the year was the Umrah journey. Students and staff returned humbled and inspired by the sacred experience of visiting Mecca and Medina. The daily Quran program continued, with new students participating and working hard to memorize verses from the Holy Quran. Through these moments and more, our students were reminded that their education is not only about academic growth, it is about building character, faith and values that will guide them for life. Community has always been the heartbeat of Amanah College, and in 2025 that bond grew even stronger. At our Liverpool campus, we welcomed students and teachers from Al Hikmah School from Indonesia who visited our school as part of their week-long tour of Australia. They actively participated in lessons and collaborated with our students, providing them with a wonderful platform for building friendships and strengthening ties between the two schools. From vibrant celebrations to engaging parent events, our families stood side by side with us, supporting our students and strengthening the school network. Eid celebrations filled our campuses with joy and colour, and it was a much anticipated experience. In 2025, we saw the true meaning of community, a community united by culture, values and care for one another. And without a doubt, educational excellence is central to the mission of Amanah College. In 2025, we celebrated this value in ways both big and small. We recognise the outstanding efforts of students through events such as the Academic Achievers Assembly and celebrated the dedication of learners who excelled in the NAPLAN. These moments reminded us that success is not accidental. It is earned through hard work, determination and the support of dedicated teachers. We can proudly say that in 2025, Amanah College continued to nurture achievers, leaders and lifelong learners.
فلولا الله ما قمت ولا صليت أو صمت ولولاه لما تبت وقلبي ما اهتدى لولاه ليهنى مؤمن يخشى.
As we reflect on 2025, we see more than just another school year. We see a story of students who step boldly into new beginnings, a story of teachers who work tirelessly to inspire, guide, and support, a story of families and community members who stood side by side with the school. 2025 was a year of firsts, a year of milestones, and a year that will be remembered as the beginning of a new chapter in the history of Amanah College. As we close this year, we carry forward the lessons, the memories, and the achievements. Together, we are shaping futures, honoring our values, and celebrating a year of learning, growth, and achievement at Amanah College.